Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. We're here in Barcelona, Spain. If you recall, last week we did a video on the Xiaomi Mi 9, and here at the show, they unveiled the phone globally. That phone is the winner of Gadget Match's Best Smartphone of MWC 2019. And we have it here. This is our Xiaomi Mi 9 unboxing. Okay, let's start. Pretty box for a pretty phone. Out here in the sun, you can really see its pearlescent quality. Maybe a nod to the two new colors the Mi 9 comes in. Seen here in the hands-on video we shot in New York. Okay, let's open up this box. If we can. There. Inside this box, in the same shimmery finish, and inside that looks like a case. Yep, a black jelly case to match our black Mi 9. There's also some reading material. Next up, the Mi 9. It appears trapped. There's a sticker highlighting the phone's key features, a 48 megapixel camera, Snapdragon 855, one of the first phones with this new processor, a 20-watt fast wireless charging, and an improved in-screen fingerprint sensor. Boom. Okay, what else is inside the box? USB-C cable and an 18-watt charging brick. No headphones as always. Now onto the phone. Let's peel this off. As you can see, we're unboxing the black model, which can also look gray in some light. Let's quickly power on the phone so you can take a look at the spec sheet. Okay, almost there. Upon setup, you're prompted to register a fingerprint, so let's do that. And now that's done, just a quick look at the phone. It runs MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie, everything one would expect from a Xiaomi phone. If you want to see more, make sure you watch our hands-on video by clicking up here. But wait, there's more, and it comes in the form of a caveat. If you want the promised fast wireless charging, you'll need this $25 accessory. This is the fastest wireless charging solutions in the market today, but it only works with the Mi 9 and this specific accessory. Inside the box, the charging pad, which is thicker than Xiaomi's other wireless charger. It's still white with a rubbery matte finish. Digging further inside, there's another USB-C cable and a 27-watt charging brick. With this brick, you can get from 0 to 100% in 60 minutes if plugged in, and 90 minutes if done wirelessly. You'll see the turbocharged logo show up when using this 27-watt charger. Otherwise, if you use the bundle charger, it will only say quick charging. And that was our Xiaomi Mi 9 unboxing. This phone scored 107 on DxOMark, so we can't wait to take it out into the real world to see how amazing its camera may or may not be. All of those conclusions will be in our review video, so to make sure you don't miss that, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post that video. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff, and as always, make sure that you make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. From here in Barcelona, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.